Okay, we're at the Belton Standpipe. Probably going to voice this over mostly, so I'm not going to talk here.
Take off.
Last time I was here, it was rainy, disgusting, and I forgot my remote. Tried to fly it with my phone. Got about here and it lost signal. The Belton Standpipe, officially known as the Belton Waterworks Tower, was built in 1909. The standpipe is one of the 3 in the state and also the tallest at 155 feet. The tower serves the area of Belton, South Carolina as a water tower and can serve up to 165,000 gallons of water. Every October, Belton hosts the Belton Standpipe and Arts Festival, giving tours inside the tower along with other events. The tower is not constructed out of stone despite its appearance, but instead of concrete poured in layered rings. The inside of the structure is mostly hollow below the area where it flares out. According to local legend, the entire tower was built by 2 men and a mule. There are no stairs that line up with the windows, and there's only 10 inches of pipe running the length of the tower. The city of Belton nearly tripled in population from 1890 to 1910, and the new growth required construction of the standpipe. The music you are listening to is titled Watermelon Man and was provided by Bruce, a Belton resident that lives directly under the tower. The top of the water tower can only be accessed by a ladder on the outside. If you like this style of video, please be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing. If you stick around, I'll meet Bruce, a local who lives under the water tower and has lived there much of his life and has never seen the top of the tower. Hello!
Hey,
How are you?
I want to see the top of the tower.
Oh, you do?
Yes, sir.
I actually got to switch batteries. I'll do that real quick and I'll show you.
It's not high enough. I mean, the batteries aren't good enough.
Yeah, I've been up for about 30 minutes now.
Yeah.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Landing.
Things are cool.
Yeah.
5 feet.
It is?
Yeah.
That's about what this said. If you give me a minute, I'll switch it out and I'll be up in the air again.
If You ever been in it?
No.
Well,
I live in Greenville, and
When you go in, it's nothing like you think.
yeah, it's just hollow, and there's no
Yeah,
stairs.
it's hollow. Where it goes up to where it balloons out, it's a floor up there. The water's all up there.
Uh huh.
It's about 100 foot or so of hollow. where
Yeah,
the windows are.
I've seen a picture online, but I haven't been inside myself.
I played harmonica in there.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
The little harmonica's about that big. I can't see it. Okay, yeah.
So I'm just going straight up here.
It's hard to see in the sun.
Let me see if I can adjust my brightness on my phone. Yeah, it's already up.
Okay, I can't see nothing now. Tilt it this way. Okay, there you go. Oh, it's not. I thought it would be something like flat that you would stand. A little dipped in, maybe 2 or 3 feet.
It's kind of tilted.
Dome, isn't it? Is it like a dome?
No, it looks more like a cone to me. I'm gonna try to get a lot closer.
They climb it every 3 or 4 times a year, I'd say. Do something. I don't know what they're doing, but they do something. Wow, look at that. 1909.
But yeah, it appears like a cone to me.
Yeah. Well,
there's
it's
a
kind of
point.
going up now, you know.
Yeah. And then they got like two or three
there you are.
dishes on it. So
Cool.
yep.
The building we lived in was built in 1938. It used to be the library.
Oh, okay.
Years ago, first library. That used to be the city jail. See the windows where the bars used to be? And on the side, there's windows where bars used to be. Where the little cement things are.
Right, I see them.
That other stuff's something been closed in or something there.
Do you have an email address or a phone number I can send you this to?
I got a phone number.
You get text messages?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, when
you
I
gonna send me one of those things with a long number and everything, with it like I have a number. I just click it.
yeah,
Like
I'll
a
send you
text.
one of those.
Landing.
And then it'll show you all this when I'm done with it. It might take me a couple days to be done with it.